To find a book, go to the library website and select Books and Media with the book and CD icon. If you're looking for a specific book, put the title of the book into the library search box with speech marks around it. Occasionally, like if the book has a common title, you may also need to enter the author name. Click Search. You may need to log in with your AUT username and password. Some books are online, while others are available in the library. Sometimes the library holds different editions of the same book. Make sure you look carefully and find out which edition and what format you need. For a physical book, take note of where it is held. The call number will take you to where it is on the shelf. Check the status of the books before you go and look for them. If the book is unavailable, you can request it using this button. You will be emailed when it's ready, and this email will contain instructions on how to collect it. An ebook will have a link and you will be able to follow the link to read your book online. You can retrieve the chapter you need and download the PDF to read at your leisure. To look for books on a topic, enter keywords that summarize your topic into the search box, then click Search. From the results page, you can refine your search by location, item type, or year. You can also use the suggested topics bar at the top of the page. Need help? Go to library.aut.ac.nz. Talk with us on Library Chat or email us. Noho ora mai ngā AUT Library.